Are you interested in getting into trading, but you just do not know where to start in this crazy crypto market? I mean, it's complicated, right? There's all this terminology. There's always new coins coming out. How are you meant to stay on top of it? How are you meant to make these predictions looking at the graphs? It's crazy, right? Well, there's always alternatives to anything when it comes down to trading. And there's something new that I think you might want to hear about. This is automated quantitative robot trading coming at you by Royal Ledger. Whew, that's a lot to say, and it's a complicated technology. This is allowing robots to predict trades 24/7. So even while you're sleeping, even when you don't have time to predict the charts, the robots are going to be there doing the trades for you. So it takes the need for you to do all this research, and it actually allows you to put your trust into the system and allow them to make the trades for you. All you need to do is go to www.royalexchanges.com. You'll see that it's fully licensed in Australia, and it's been going since 2020. All these trades have been happening since then, so quite a while that this industry has been there, but now you can know about it and you can get involved. So you can download the app there. It's a two-step process, but it takes honestly less than 2 minutes. All you've then got to do is fill in your details to register, obviously verify yourself, which happens all in the crypto world right now. You've got to make sure you do them KYCs, and then you are good to go and actually get involved in the trading. If you want to know more details about the trading tomorrow, my next video is going to be a little bit about the sort of returns you can be looking at and why robot technology is just awesome. Did you get a chance to check out Royal Ledger yesterday? Well, if you didn't, I'm going to tell you a few more details. When looking into minimum trading, the minimum is $100 because that is the fee required in order to use this technology. So no matter how much you put in, it's $100 to use this technology. And then you better check out how much the profit share is. So depending how much you actually invest will mean that the profit share is slightly different, but the loss is always 50-50. So any losses, this is a risky business. So check out the website for a few more details for you. And then you need to learn how to deposit your money into the account. So this is USDT that you're going to be depositing. You need to hold that in your Binance account. You'll go to the app. So click on the app and you'll see something a little like this, which will come up. And then once you've gone onto that, you will be able to select the TRC20. You'll be able to copy your address, and then you can actually go to open your Binance or Huobi app and transfer the amount that you want to deposit to the company using this address. So you just need to recharge, and then once you've done this on your Binance, then you'll be able to go and submit how much that you've already topped up. So you would upload a screenshot from Binance or Huobi to show that the transaction and with the transaction hash, and this will allow you to deposit all from Binance. So if you don't have Binance, make sure to go onto my YouTube and you'll see how to download Binance and how to start using Binance. And then we need to see how you transfer this to tokens. So once you deposited, you will just go to transfers, and then you'll have transfer from a USDT account to a token account. You'll always make sure that you've got 100 tokens in there. So we need to transfer 100 USDT from the account to the token account in order to allow this binding quantitative AI trading to commence. Tomorrow, I'm going to let you know how we do this bind quantitative trading. As promised, I'm letting you know today about how to do this binding in order to start trading. This is the most important bit. If you've missed the rest of it, make sure to check it out, see how you can deposit your money, how you can start changing it into the tokens. And then the final step is obviously getting these robots to make the trades for you. So how we're going to do this is we are going to have a look at our bind quantitative trading. We're going to go to the robot, we're going to select that and apply for binding. Once we've applied, we will confirm the type of order. So obviously the minimum amount is 100 USDT. For 7 days, we'll apply for binding. We make sure we have that $100 in there, because if we don't, we won't be able to trade. And then once you've applied for trading, you will put in how much you want to you want to bind and the multiples that you want to bind. So once you've started, you can then check your profits, which is always really important. Remember, it's got to be in there for at least 7 days. So you're going to see that you're making profits one day you might have losses. As I say, this is always a very, very risky environment to be in, but at the same time, obviously Royal Ledger wants you to succeed because that's where the profits lie. They all lie in you succeeding. So we're going to make sure we can check the profits, we can see what's happening, and it will be bound for 7 days. Once we finish that period, then you are able to withdraw your funds. Now, withdrawing is nice and simple, just as simple as putting them in. So you will go to your withdrawal, and then you will go through the steps. So you'll just say the recharge network is going to be USDT TRC20, and then with that you are going to go to your binding withdrawal address. You're going to select the amount that you want to remove, and you're also going to have a 100 token fee, obviously, that you know needs to be taken out because the fee is there for allowing you to use this technology. Right, I think we've covered everything. If I've missed anything, make sure just to check out the website. The website is super, super important. And yeah, happy trading, guys. Make sure, go to the website, www.royalexchanges.com, and you can use my sign-up code, which I'll be putting in the description. Yeah, don't forget that. You need that when you're signing up.